Welcome everyone! Once you know the general strategy, it shouldn't take long at all to complete the challenge of using an assault rifle to kill an enemy affected by your tactical or non-lethal score streak 50 times. So first of all, let's in multiplayer head into the weapons and then head into score streaks. So when it says affected by your non-lethal score streak, that means I want you to select the scout pulse, UAV and counter UAV. And while those are in the air, when you are getting kills, those are going to count to the 50 eliminations. Next, let's head into our loadouts. And I'm going to show two loadouts. One for Black Ops Classic, which is what I prefer, and then just for the regular one as well. So if you are playing the regular multiplayer, non-Black Ops Classic, you want to have the TAC Expert wildcards. You want to use 2 sight grenades, which you can't use in Black Ops Classic. But this is like a stun, but even if they aren't there and they run into it, you're going to get more kills using sight grenades. And for perk 2, Tech Mask is a must. These other perks don't matter, but these are what I use. Use what you want. And under field upgrade, Assault Pack, that is just going to give you... Assault Pack is just going to give you more tactical weapons. Now for Black Ops Classic, we're going to change very slightly. Wildcard, we're going to use Perk Read. And these are the 4 perks I recommend using. And then under Tactical, we're going to use Stun. But for Black Ops Royale or Black Ops Classic, you just want to use the streaks in the air. That's what you're going to rely on. Regular play, any of these 4 game modes work perfectly fine. And if you are doing this in the background or don't care that much, you can play Search as well. And so I'm going to load into a match. This seems to be a match in progress. So I'm going to load into another one. And I'll show you the general process of what to do. So I'm loading into Plaza. I'm going to open up the map just to show you what to do. So let me just equip my wonderful class. So in Plaza, in this middle area here, I know the enemies are going to be there. So I'm just going to spam my sight grenade if I had it. I know enemies would be there. You just spam your sight grenade or whatever where you expect them to be. Now Black Ops Classic, I don't have that ability or that luxury. So I just have my stuns. So, you know, if they're going to come up here, okay, I'm just going to stun them. You know, if you can get the kill, that's wonderful. If not, it is what it is. With Black Ops Classic, you're going to rely a lot more on actually getting your streaks up. So, just keep that one in mind. So on Black Ops Classic, my Scout Pulse does not equip. You know, the RCXD obviously isn't going to count. But UAV will. So when the UAV is in the air, this is, you know, when you want to get all your kills, every kill with the UAV is going to count. You will know what delay your counter UAV, just because, of course, there's ran out of an assault rifle. I think that is an assault rifle, but that definitely is. So when the UAV is up, you want to get as many kills as possible, and then you want to swap to your counter. So the UAV is out the air. I'll use my counter now. And we just need to get those kills up. So that is the general idea. I don't want to bore you with my gameplay. I don't think you really care about anyone's gameplay. But, you know, this is just playing the game. This isn't, you know, too crazy. This is a pretty chill challenge to get done. And I think, unlike the other stuff, you will enjoy it. I will have a playlist in the description if you're struggling with the other stuff. Now, real quick, YouTube don't promote my videos like they used to. So if you found this video useful, it really would mean the world to me if you hit the like button down below and just left a comment saying, hey, I found this video useful, thank you. Have a nice rest of your day. Bye-bye.